Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wonton broth. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 6 cups of quality chicken broth or stock as your base. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for that savory depth and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. Don't forget about 1 inch of fresh ginger, thinly sliced, to infuse a warm, aromatic note into your delicious broth. Now let's get cooking. Combine your chicken broth, soy sauce, sesame oil, and sliced ginger in a medium-sized pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, strain the broth to remove the ginger before serving. To elevate your wonton broth, consider adding some optional flavor boosters. For an extra layer of umami, stir in 1/2 cup of sliced mushrooms during the last 5 minutes of simmering. A 1/4 cup of freshly chopped green onions adds a fresh, mild onion flavor. A small pinch of white pepper can introduce a subtle warmth, and a dash of rice vinegar brightens the overall taste. Your delicious wonton broth is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot with your favorite homemade or store-bought wontons. For a fresh finish, garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro or chives. This versatile broth also makes a wonderful light soup on its own. Any leftover broth can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.